Hello everybody, test driving VW Transporter 2017, which came in with DPF problems and Adblue problems. Problem solved. What can you tell us, sir? How was your van before and how is it driving now? Is there any difference?
Oh, there's a lot of difference. Feels like a brand new car. The van feels like a brand new van, considering what it was like last week.
Would you say it's responsive?
Yeah, a lot more responsive. Yeah, a lot more power. You can put your foot down and actually get a bit of something behind it.
Excellent.
Yeah, really happy.
Can you see black or white smoke from your rear view mirror?
Can I see what? Sorry.
Black or white smoke?
Negative.
Negative. Okay. Any engine lights?
No engine lights.
No engine lights.
No wind switch
So
off.
we are happy.
Yeah.
Another happy customer from Supreme Dpf Cleaning.com is located in Western Kent. Our postcode is Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. You can reach us on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, SCR, power loss, black or white smoke issues. And also we have quantum tuning ECU programming certified dealers and Auto Watch Ghost Immobilizer Fitting Center. Thanks for watching. Thank you.